In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make audio sound better in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the channel. Drag the audio onto Adobe for a timeline, zooming in, zooming out. I highlighted the clip. We're going to Effects Control. I'm going to type in treble. Slap that on the audio piece. Bass. Slap that on. And then type in hard limiter. It's under audio effects, but I already have one that's a preset that's saved, so slap that on. Okay, and then click under here, effects control, and then under treble, click and type in, actually 11, and then with the bass, type in 5. And this is the before.
Look, I'm not a young guy. That's no secret. But here's the deal. I understand how to get things done for the American people.
And this is the after.
Look, I'm not a young guy. That's no secret. But here's the deal. I understand how to get things done for the American people.
Right, so in order to get that, one more thing, so that we don't have the audio peaking, because we don't want the audio to peak, you go under to the same thing that controls audio, and then under hard limiter, click this called edit. And then this window is going to pop up, right? Make sure the preset is under default, then make sure this says peak, maximum amplitude, right here. Click this little circle icon and see how it says negative. That's exactly what we want. And then if you drag it more to the left, notice that the dB or the decibels becomes more negative, and that's exactly what we want. So you can mess around with that, but this should be good at -5 or -6. Click the X, and then now this is the before.
Look, I'm not a young guy. That's no secret. But here's the deal.
And this is the after.
Look, I'm not a young guy. That's no secret. But here's the deal.
It's the same thing, right? But now you made the audio sound so much better, you've made your voice sound legit, professional, cinematic in Adobe Premiere Pro.
Again, if you want to save hundreds of hours of money per year editing content, then check out the video description, scan the QR code, or click the link down below. And thanks for watching this tutorial.